Today's topic, what we want to tell, is about solstice. Now, what is a solstice? There are two types of solstice. One is winter, and another one is summer. Apart from winter and summer, there is one more thing which is known as equinox. So these are the words like solstice, winter solstice, summer solstice, and equinox. What does it mean? Let's take an example. Let's take a fact. Suppose this is the sun. Okay, I'll draw the sun now with yellow, and I'll make this one broader. For an example, this is your sun. Okay, yellow is not displaying. Let's mix some orange over here. Fine. So this is our sun, and our earth. Let's keep our earth blue. So one position would be here of my earth, another position would be here, this one is also position, and this one is also position. Okay, so there are positions, means after every day it moves 1-2 degree, but these are the basic position. So on this particular position, now I'm taking a different color. Let's take it a red color. So this position is known as our equinox. Okay, this is okay. This position is known as equinox. This is summer solstice. This is again your equinox, and this is your winter solstice. So at equinox, 21st March. So what does equinox? What does equinox mean? Equinox means the day and night are almost same. Summer solstice says that it appears on 21st of June. This is the biggest day, the longest day of an year. On 21st June, might be 22nd of June, because there is one calculation. Earth revolves around the sun in 365 days, 1/4 day. So 1/4 would be 366 days. So after every cycle period of 4 years, there would be a leap year. So 21st June or 22nd June. Now again, this is again your equinox. So which kind of equinox is this? This is your autumn equinox. See? So autumn equinox, what does autumn equinox mean? It is of 22nd of September. Winter solstice, this is 21st or 22nd of December. So these are basically equinoxes, and these are 4 dates. Now let us see the charts and let us backtest it, that what would happen on this date. Let us backtest in the year 2024. Let us see, and then we will conclude some results. So I am deleting all the things, and let's go in 2020. Okay, 23. No. We will start with here. So our 23 March, नहीं 20 दिसंबर चाहिए ना बाबा, ये तो Feb 2024 नहीं, 2000 November 2000 December. Okay, I got something over here, that is 21st December or 22nd December. So these are our dates, correct? 21st December, 22nd December as an winter solstice, and before that 20th December. So this is a range. So this is Thursday, this is Friday, and this is your Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days. See, for this date we are waiting for every 3 months, na? So we have to be a bigger picture for that. So for this, what I'll do, I'll mark up a rectangle. Fine, a small rectangle, I'll mark a range from here to here. Simple. So in other words, I would say that you may mark the solstice weekly candle, on which week it is being forming. Fine. So now see what happened in the price action. I'll just make it bigger, and we don't know. Okay, what I'll do, I'll I'll cut this thing. I'll cut this thing. Okay, from here. So we don't have the chart apart from it, right? I have a paid version, so that's why we can cut and all. Okay. So 7x speed, because we need a 7x speed. So what happened? You were here around at 8th of January 2024. You were trading, and you know that this is a very wonderful support. It will act as a very good support because this is your solstice. This is your weekly candle. So weekly candle means what is the range? 21,599 to 20,964, around 600 points is the range of the Nifty. So where you will try to buy? First thing. Second thing, buying method, when to buy, that is another aspect of trading. Exact what would be the pinpoint, that is another aspect of the trading. Please do not mix. I am telling you the range, when to enter and when to exit, that we will talk about 5 minutes chart, and it will take a lot of time to you all to come at that level. Okay, at 9:15 or at 9:20 you can trigger your trade. It needs practice and it needs concentration and a proper knowledge. So let's play this thing. Okay, अरे बाप रे, बहुत तेज हो गया. I'm sorry. पीछे कैसे होता है? I don't know, bro. Okay, 7x is quite huge. I'll make it 3x. Okay. Now see, when the market comes over here, so this will be our great thing. This one on 24 January 2024, this one is our great part to hit the trade. Now I am again going up. So at which date we were? Feb, March. Okay, on 21st March, let us see what would happen. I think so. It happens 20. Now this is your winter solstice. Now Feb, March. Okay, 21st March. This one. Okay, this is Thursday. This is Wednesday. Again Thursday. Okay, this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so Monday ka candle. Now I am marking with a help of small trend line. I am not making that boxes. A simple trend line. Okay, this line is our trend line. Okay, this one and this one. Pinpoint I am marking it out. Fine. So this is again my date. This will act as a support. Because see, here is a major support. From last 3 months it hasn't broke this level. So this is our next support. Then see, the market went up. Again the market came over here, and from this particular support it moved up. I'm just showing you the observations. Nothing more than that. Entry, and again I am telling you, entry and exit topics are really very different. They have their own type of tricks, but you need to know that on these dates how to react into the market. Now again I am going. So March. Now I am waiting for the June. So this is May. Okay, May is going on. Oh my God. Oh, there must be something, bro. कुछ हुआ. कुछ तो हुआ है. Now see, bros. This is the election date. The market I hope so you would be able to know that election date. Result day था. I traded on this. That's why I'm telling you. इस दिन इलेक्शन का वो आया था रिजल्ट कि नरेंद्र मोदी इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. एंड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे एग्जिट पोल ने बोल दिया था कि मोदी ही है, मोदी ही है. एंड पर्टिकुलरली ऑन दिस डेट 31st of May 20 नहीं, इट्स क्लोज्ड ओवर हियर. यहाँ क्लोज था 22/5/26 and it opened around 23/3/37. So इलेक्शन से पहले 800 पॉइंट का गैप था ये. If I am not wrong, what's the close? 22/5/30 and what's the open? 25/30 and 22/5/30. हाँ यार 800 प्लस पॉइंट्स का इसमें वो था अराउंड क्या गैप अप अराउंड. ओके, नाउ on the next day the market fell down like drastically, and from where it bounced on the same zones, because this is your 22nd of or 21st of December का जो week है, that was your winter solstice. ठीक है, यहाँ से चले, let's move forward. है ना, we need the June, the 21st June. Okay, this one. ठीक है, तो 21st June was the Friday and what was the Monday, Tuesday. Okay, so it has a very small range. Let us mark this also. है ना, एक बार ये कर लिया और एक बार ये कर लिया. ठीक है, it's a very small range and market moved up. Now we are seeing after June we need a September. How to trade over here, what the candles are going. Again I'm telling you, this is something entirely different one. Na? I'm telling you only one method. Means every method is important. We will combine everything. September 20, bus bhai, bus आ गया. So 22nd of September. Okay, this is your 20th September, 23rd September. So 22nd was the holiday. Fine. So what would be the range? So this candle would be the range. और next day ऊपर गया तो next week या तो इस week का ले लो या next week ले लो. ठीक है, from here I am selling. Trust me, I am selling. छोटा छोटा I am trying. I trapped over here. I actually trapped over here. But again my psychology and my time theory was saying ki nahi, let's wait. And once it gave after 3 days, I have increased the things whatever I'm trading and it has given me a good one. So you can mark this particular candle. Okay, that's why I'm telling you as per the dates now. If there would be 22nd of September, it doesn't mean on 22nd there would be a reversal, or on 23rd. You have to wait. So entry and exit is something entirely different part, bro. So I would mark this. It's a huge, but let's mark this one. Now see what happened. October, November is coming. Okay. Now wait. On 21st November 2024. Okay, now see, on 21st November this was our range. This was इसको हटा देते हैं. This was our range. This was the particular. Any kind of a closing over here, so this will act as a support. It broke the support, it closed up into the support. This candle also closes in this support, but this candle unable to close. इसने नीचे close दिया. and this candle, once it went up the green, up. Apart from this, 21st of November, एक सेकेंड, अपोजी था यार, मैंने ट्रेड लिया था. See, I'm just remembering, I have taken a trade, I have given, I predicted something. I don't know whether I have placed in my YouTube or not. किया ये पता नहीं, I don't know. ARG and Apogee, okay. 21st of November. Let me check 2024. अच्छा 26th of November था, ठीक है, नहीं किया होगा, हो गया. यहाँ नहीं, किसी और जगह मैंने जरूर किया है, पता नहीं कौन सा है. Okay, so here we got a support and it went up. November. Now where we are? We are December. Okay, bye. Now 23rd December. देखो यार, 21 मतलब this is also kind of equinox. हाँ यहाँ, हाँ शायद ये वाला था, हाँ शायद ये या ये कोई था कि this market will go up. यहाँ गया and once it broke, see, once this support has been broken, that is 23,423 and 23,671, the market, now where the market will go, now see, let us see. एक मिनट, यहाँ price action देखो. See, these days I am trading, here is the price action, it gave the closing above it. I was so excited. I was thinking, I don't know, I was thinking the market should hit over here now. So on the very next day, what happened? There was a pattern in 5 minutes time frame. It has given that pattern. 5th of Feb 2025. I can show you that pattern. I know these things. Okay. That 5 minutes, what? Okay. Something happened, bro. Something happened over here. On this particular support, something happened. It hasn't closed below this. In the support zone, it came here and it went up. Amazing. And we were into the link from 17th of March, right? We all. So this is Apogee, and this one I have taken the trade. So this one I can show you. 5th of ये, अब ये बंद कैसे होता है? अच्छा यहाँ से क्रॉस. So on 5th of March, okay, let's move to 5 minutes. Let's put on our template and 5th of March. Let's go. 5th of March, we can easily conclude it. 1 minute. 5th of March, yes. 12th, no. 10th, no. 5th. Okay. Those who know the patterns and all, when we will study it in a later one, see, a very small stop loss, 23,366 and 23,324. It's around 40-50 points SL. Whenever you are confident enough when to take trade, that is very important. Okay, and where are our lines? हाँ अच्छा, वो red line था यार, देखो, this one is our red line. I'll just change that line, the line which we have marking. I'm changing it to, for which I'll change blue. Okay, and I'll make it big. Now see, this was our support zone. Matlab, there are two, na? So which one would be second? So this red one is the second one, no? 21,709. This one is our second one. So okay, it came in the support zone over here. Particularly on this support zone, it has given us the buy over on 5th of March. It has given us the buy. You can trail or you can book the profit for a day. So see, in the month of March, it has come at that level which is being precisely was being marked on it's a March, so the winter solstice. So market has come to the winter solstice one day, and here default. See, market came here and it reacted. See, this one is the blue, that what we have changed. See, market reacted. Now, what would be the next probability? See, what would be the next probability? Today is 19th. So let us assume something. Basis on this, I'm not talking about basis on planets, because if I would see yesterday, in my yesterday's class, I have told you something over here, that what are these planets and all. So on 21st 3 2025, what is going to be happening? So see here, my friends, I used to see here, there is a conjunction between Sun and Venus at 4 degrees. I'll tell you later, this is a later part. Conjunction between Sun and Neptune, okay. Mercury and Venus. See, Venus is a very good planet. It is the planet of beauty. And you know, Mercury is a confusing planet. Mercury is, the characteristics of the Mercury is, in Hindi, if you would be able to understand, कि ये हमेशा confused रहेगा. It's a confused one. It is very quick. It has a very good energies or a bad energy, whatever, but it is very quick. Energetic type of thing, means fatafat, quickness, something. And Venus is a beauty. And conjunction between Venus and Neptune, now there is something very big problem. There would be a volatility. Because Neptune is an outer planet and it is very far from the Earth. So the impact of the Neptune on Venus would be greater as the impact of Mercury. Because in an year, there would be 2 or 1 or 3 conjunction of Mercury and Venus. But in an year, there would be only 1 conjunction of Venus and Neptune. Then there is one more thing, Venus and Pluto. They are making a sextile, means I'll tell you later. And again, Saturn and Uranus is also making. And there is one more factor, that is semi-square, that is Mercury and Uranus. So what does it mean? So we will not go in that deep. We will go here. What would be the probability? So market 22,951. So if the market would go in 1, 2 or 3 days or till Monday, till here or till here, okay? Because this one is acting as a resistance for now. See, this was the date. This has been acted as an support once. This was been acted as in support once. Then it came down. It acted as in resistance one time. Again it went out and again it is acting as in resistance. It hasn't sustained these levels. So there would be a probability, like the market, if I would tell you, it might be possible the market would come over at this candle or at this candle, somewhere here, and then we will see a sell trade, because this is acting as a very far good resistance. So if the market would come around 23,400 or 23,500, till then we can go for an intra. No issues. And at 23,400, 500, we will see the price action for the positional trade. Positional trade won't be occur every day. Whatever you are taking a trade, it won't occur. Like you can't take or hold that trade till 15 days or till 2 weeks or 1 month. No. You have to see the major top and the major bottoms. So this one is considered as a major top for nowadays. Means the recent top is this one, no? The recent top is this one on 5th of Feb. So let us see whether how the market would react. I am expecting this range should come, or from this range only it will drop, or from this range I don't know, but I am expecting this should come yaar. Matlab 23,250, and here in my message I told you all what I am seeing. Means no, this one is not. Can you see this? Why I am seeing? See, might be, we may see. We have seen 22,950 we have seen. And at that moment the Nifty was around 22,300, 400, something like that. You can check the date on Sunday. On Sunday, Monday को क्या था यार Nifty? Let us check. Monday कहाँ है? Tuesday. Thursday. Monday. So Monday was opening was okay 22,353. So I'm expecting 1,000 points move. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो मतलब what I would say, probabilities are there, no? Probabilities are there. See, date is also coming. Might be possible on that particular 21st it will go again, hit up and then come back, or but this is for me a resistance zone. I'll be cautious. I am happy if I would lose this 23,000 to 23,600 point, and if there is one good weekly closing above it, and on the very next day it is crossing the weekly high on the very first candle, then I would be a bullish. I would change my sentiment in that way. Now this zone would be my whatever this 21st of March zone, or whatever the zone that will be marked on Monday. That zone would be my now biggest support. So whenever it would come and react over here, I'll go for a buy trade. So this is how I plan my trades, and nothing more than that. If you have any questions, please do ask me. Yeah. Correct. Sir, again I'm telling you, this is circle. You start with June and make a back test. So that's what my next homework is. Since 2015, mark and see the chart how it is moving one by one candle. You can mark from anywhere, na sir? It's a circle. Oh, it's a circle, na sir. But see, if you are why I have started it from December, because I'm just taking 1 year. That's why I need a complete whole year, right? If I would be starting from the June, then I won't be completed 4 of it. So try to start with go in 2016. I think so. I have marked something at 2016. I don't know. I was like doing something in the chart on regular every day. Let us see whether I marked it or not. It's not coming. Aja, 16/3/2025. 2016. I have changed that. I have to change the year. Okay. हाँ अरे यार ये देखो ना मार्क किया है ना 21st. ये देखो marked it. I used to take a back test. Whatever I am trying to tell you, that is all about back test. Now see 2016, which one? 21st of March. Let's take it. So which day was there? Monday. So what would be the Friday? This would be the another Monday. So Friday का ये था एक ये sorry ये बहुत this is quite अच्छा इसका मार्क कर रहे हैं ना तो we will mark it by orange and we'll make it thinner. ओके एंड इसका एक लो मंडे का ठीक है यहाँ ले लेते हैं. ओके वन टाइम टेस्टेड, टू टाइम टेस्टेड and then June again this would be created as in demand. So this one, is it tested? No, it's not tested. Then see the September one, Thursday. So see, if this would be happening, then as per Victor sir, you know that demand and supply theory. So this and this particular date would be our supply zone. So this is Thursday, this is our Friday, this one, and this one is our supply. Simple. Market is not at all reacting. It went up, again come down, it went up, again come down. So we have that resistance and the previous support was this only. So the market is playing in this range. If it would be crossing this and sustaining one day close, then it would be bullish. It has come till your 21st December. Now see, this is your 21st December. Which one? Where? Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, Friday closing. Let's take it. So as per supply demand, you can take this candle. The low of this candle is the perfect low. You would take the trade on the 27th of December because see, this high was broken and again it went. Again it has gone for a time pass. So trend has been changed. Might be possible it would cross that, might be possible it would not cross. But it has crossed. See on the gap up. Because this is the 14th March and again this is the 22nd March. Again it has given a very good support. So after that, let us see. So you have to backtest as much as you can.